guys, good afternoon. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me. I am going to do quick. When I say quick, I mean extremely quick and easy DIY for you. And what you're going to need for this DIY is 2 of the Dollar Tree cylinders. Now I'm going with the small one and the large ones. So you'll need 2 Dollar Tree cylinders. You'll need 2 of the Dollar Tree candle holders, candlesticks. This is all about Christmas, so you will need 2 of the Christmas ornaments from the Dollar Tree. You will need 2 napkin rings. These are the Dollar Tree napkin rings. You will need the mirror, and these are mirrors that I just came across in the Dollar Tree and was ecstatic to find them. You'll need your scissors, your glue gun, and your glue sticks. I am not quite sure if I'm going to add diamond wrap. We will see as we go along. So the first thing I want to do is begin to add my mirror to my candlesticks. Okay guys, so this is how the candle holders turned out. I hope you like the way that they look. If you do, give me a thumbs up. And please share the video with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your support. It does help my channel to grow, and I truly look forward to hearing from you. Leave me a comment. Let me know if this is a DIY you will recreate for Christmas. All right, thank you so much again, and I will see you on my next DIY.